Worries also in Indonesia about cryptocurrencies, where trading has started to soar. The country's authority on Shariah compliance, the National Ulema Council, or MUI, has ruled that crypto is forbidden among Muslims due to concerns over its uncertain nature and over wagering. But it is not a cut and dried order. There are circumstances where cryptocurrencies are allowed. Let's get a clearer picture on the issue. Chani Vavani joins us from Jakarta. Well, Chani, firstly, give us a sense of how extensive cryptocurrency usage is in Indonesia.
Well, if we look at the figures, the total trading at the end of 2020 was valued at around 4.5 billion US dollars. Now, crypto transactions in Indonesia for the first 5 months of 2021 amounted to around 26 billion US dollars. Now, that's just a fraction compared to the global market at around $3 trillion. Having said that, according to the Trade Ministry, which regulates crypto assets, there were over 9.7 million traders in the country as of October, and trading value also reached around 50 billion US dollars, which is significantly a bigger amount than last year's 4.5 billion. So if we look at those figures, and based on those figures, cryptocurrencies certainly gaining favor here in Indonesia.
Well, the Muslim Clerical Council has issued a fatwa on the use of crypto. So what has the reaction been, and what happens to people who already have cryptos?
Well, reactions have been mixed to this decree, and some analysts have reportedly said that crypto is only used as an asset or commodity and not as a currency, while some traders have reportedly said that they would continue to invest in crypto. So it's also important to note that a decree by the International Ulema Council is not legally binding, as the organization is not a part of the government. However, what could happen is that its rulings could affect decisions made by some Muslims. And in this case, it could potentially affect investment decisions of some Muslims.
Well, Chani, there are also some exceptions. According to reports, the council says cryptos can be traded as commodities if they can show benefits and abide by the Sharia law. So how would that work?
That's right. If we look at the decree, it says that cryptocurrency as a commodity or an asset, it needs to meet certain Islamic rules. Now, these rules are namely that there is a physical form, it has value, the amount is known for certain, and there are property rights, and it can be submitted to the buyer if it meets all of these requirements. Now, if these conditions are met, along with the fact that the cryptocurrency has an underlying asset and it carries clear benefits, then it can be traded. Now, if we look at Indonesia's commodities exchange, it currently allows the trading of hundreds of cryptocurrencies that meet requirements of safety and good governance of the blockchain system.
Well, thanks for that. Chani Vavani there in Jakarta.